Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Wani May and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did feed-in stitch braids for the very first time on my little cousin's hair. So stay tuned. So y'all, please keep in mind I am not a braider. I do this for fun. I really don't know what I'm doing. I came across this little hack though. I'm not sure where, it's either Instagram or TikTok. And I'm gonna be showing you how I do that in just a minute. I'm gonna slow down the clips and I'll explain what I'm doing. Okay, so right here, I slowed it down for you to see. I am making out parts and I'm braiding those small parts to create the stitch effect because again, I'm not a braider. Please don't judge me. This is my first time. I'm going to continue making those little parts to create the stitches. And then once I'm done, I'm going to grab some braiding hair and I'm going to feed it in and braid down. I'm going to continue this process until all of the hair is done. I think these came out really good for my first try. Hopefully I get a chance to do it again. I know y'all saw the little smile in there. She likes them, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna get some hot water and dip the ends. I did curl the ends with flexi rods off camera because the camera kept going off. But again, I think I did a good job. Here is the final product. I think they came out really good, especially being that this is my first time and we were rushing to get somewhere. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.